Good morning, dear students. I am here, Jayashree, with our subject EVS. Dear students, we have completed about our environment. Now, we will see which animals we are going to observe in our surrounding. Students, domestic animals, wild animals and pet animals. These are the different kinds of animals. Pet animals live with us in our home and domestic animals which are helping us but they cannot live with us. They are living in our surrounding. Maybe you observe donkey, cow, buffalo, sheep. These are domestic animals. These animals are helpful for us. Students, we are observing different animals in our surrounding. Some animals live in a water, some animals can live on land and some animals can fly in the sky. Do you know which animal can fly in the sky? Yes, there is an eagle. Eagle can fly in the sky. Eagle. Eagle is a best example. Other animals can also fly in the sky. Other birds. But eagle is a flying up in the sky. Means high. Second one, the animals which can live in a water. Animals like a tortoise. And everyone knows about the fish. Fish can live in a water. Fish cannot live on the land. Fish only live in the water. Animals which lives in water. Fish. Students, like this animals, again something different in each animal. Do you observe the giraffe, elephant or ant? The height of giraffe is different than other animals, and when we are observing to elephant is a large animal on the land and the very tiny animal is our ant, and different kinds of insects too are living in this environment.
Students, here are some animals in this picture. I know you can recognize them easily. Here is one bird, parrot, elephant, deer, and snake. Their names are different and their features are very special. Look at the elephant. Elephant is very big animal, and look at the bird. They are very small in front of elephant. And look at the color of parrot and other bird. The color of parrot is green. And look at our snake. Without leg, he can run fast on the land. Students, now see, these animals are asking you, where will you find us? An eagle flies high in the sky. A cow walks on the ground. And fish swims in a water. It means these different types of animals, they are having special features, and because of that thing we are finding these animals on different places. Students, in the introduction I told you the different features of the animal. Now here is a question, can you tell? I gave you answer in a video. I will send you one photo of these questions. Write down in your notebook 2 times. It's your today's homework. Thank you.